Hi, in this lesson we're going to look at past continuous tense. Now, examples of past continuous are I was waiting, it was raining, and we were living. And we make past continuous tense with was or were plus the verb plus ing. So let's start with some example situations. And if this is now and this is the past, then past continuous looks like this. It's a continuous action which finished in the past. Let's look at some example sentences. Number one, I saw her while I was having lunch. And this would be was having, and I saw would look like this. In other words, we have past simple, I saw, in the middle of past continuous, was having. Next sentence. He phoned as I was walking to work. So again, if this is he phoned, the past simple, then this is was walking, the past continuous action, a continuous action which finished in the past. Finally, sentence 3, it arrived, a letter for example, while we were talking. So this is it arrived, past simple, and were talking is this, past continuous. So that's how we use past continuous, and as you can see, it's very common that we use it with past simple. Let's now look at the verb conjugations, and we're going to look at the verb to live in the positive, in the question, and the negative forms. So, to live, positive form, I, he, she, it was living, you, we, they were living. Question form now, and this is was I, he, she, it living, and here we have were you, we, they living. And finally, the negative form. I, he, she, it was not living, and you, we, they were not living. And in the informal, we would say I, he, she, it wasn't living, and you, we, they weren't living. So those are the conjugations, and that's the end of this lesson. Here is the PDF with the verb conjugations, and there are some example sentences at the end here. Join me in part 3 for the practice exercises, and in the next lesson we'll be looking at the super important present perfect tense.